Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
Yes, I. This one was straight to the foundation. Man, being a sound and run the nail run. Down to last on the version. Road up style in the session. Rush this, watch this. When dancehall was nice, the rhythm them sweet. Man, I rock to the beat. Rubber dubbing on the street. Yellow man on the mic and the place get bright. Volcano mash it up every Friday night. Mr. Junjo allows him the boss of the thing. From Jamaica to Tobago, Volcano was king. The chicken and smiley, them a run the scene. Nice up the dance on the drum and machine. Ranking Tyan with the wickedest flow. Billy boy, you bust the mic, youth full of glow. Captain sing bad lyrics full of vibes. Leaf and Cliff come rough with the style. When dancehall was nice, the rhythm them sweet. Man, I rock to the beat, rubber dubbing at the street. Josie Wales a ride rhythm like bike. Volcano sound take the dance every night. Nicodemus and go up on the sound. Every clash get shell, the whole place drown. Michael Prophet by sweet like honey. Linval Thompson drop rhythm pan money. Selectors wheel back the dub one more. Sound system heavy like a lion roar. People them a skank and the vibes a flow. Back in the day when the dance did grow. Big up Junjo, man a pioneer. Push out the youth, make the voice them clear. Rubber dub time, no slackness fear. Strictly culture and the vibe sincere. Watch this, where dancehall was nice, the rhythm them sweet. Volcano blaze hot, can cool the heat. Yellow man dead and smiley the too. Rubber dub style make the whole crew move. So remember the days before the hype and show, when lyrics did rule and the rhythm did flow. Volcano forever in a reggae history. Rubber dub time, that's a real memory.